In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use plugins in Claude Code. We'll walk through the exact flow to add a plugin and put it to work on your own files using a marketing example to make things concrete. By the end, you'll know where to find plugins, how to install one, and how to point Claude Code A at the right folder so it can analyze your data. Start by opening the Claude Code app. Once you're in, look for the Customize area. This is where you tailor the workspace to your needs, and it's the hub for managing integrations. Inside Customize, click on Connectors. Think of connectors as the bridge between Claude Code and the tools or plugins you want it to use. Next, click the plus icon and choose Browse Connectors. This opens the catalog where everything is organized and easy to scan. From here, select the Plugins section. You'll see options designed for different tasks and data types. Choose the plugin you want to use and install it. For this walkthrough, we'll use a marketing plugin as the example. Click on the marketing plugin, then click Install. Installation is quick, and once it's done, the plugin becomes available in your workspace. As you pick a plugin, take a moment to read its description so you understand what kinds of files or fields it expects. That way, you'll avoid confusion later. After installing, make sure you have marketing data ready in your files, stored in a folder that's relevant to the plugin. For instance, you might have a folder with spreadsheets of campaign performance, ad spend, or lead sources. Keep your files clearly named and in one place so Claude Code can reference them cleanly. Now click on Co-work in Claude Code. Co-work is where you bring your data into the session and collaborate directly with the model. Select the folder that contains the data you want to use with the plugin. Confirm that the folder you pick is the one with the marketing files you prepared, so everything is available in context. With your folder selected, type in what you want to do with the data. Be clear and directive. For example, ask Claude Code to analyze the marketing data. You might say something like, analyze the campaign performance in this folder, summarize key trends, identify top performing channels, and flag any anomalies. The clearer your request, the better the results. That's the full flow. Open Claude Code, go to Customize, open connectors, browse and select plugins, install your chosen plugin, make sure your related data is organized in a folder, click Co-work, select that folder, and then describe exactly what you want done with the data.